In this video, I'm going to show how to process an hospitalization in the user's profiles. Okay, so first we press login, then we input our veterinary owner email and password. Okay, so these are all the users user profiles that are involved in the hospitalization. In the veterinary owner, you have to have a veterinary hospital created. When the veterinary hospital is created, you get the training veterinary hospital, in which you can interact with the system without actually modifying information, and you get the formal one, which is not activated right now, but right now we can train on the sample one. Okay, so we go back to the user profiles, then we go to the veterinary administrator. In the veterinary administrator, we go to the sample veterinary administrator, the first one, and we press on it. Okay, so now we have, these are the veterinary hospital feature screen. To create an hospitalization, we have to scroll down and press on system, and then on system we go to the create orders, and we have to search for the pet that's going to be hospitalized. You can search by the pet name, the pet phone, the pet email, or you can just press search and a listing of 5 will appear if there's more than 5. If there's less than 5, only the quantity that are registered to the veterinary hospital will appear. So right now, when we find the correct one, we press that, and then we select hospitalization. So here we put why is the pet going to get hospitalized. We select the price. Here there can be multiple prices depending on the dog size, or if one hospitalization includes something that the other one doesn't, etc. That those variables are added in settings, and the date is today. So we press next, we confirm that everything is correct, and we press create order. Okay, so the order went to the hospitalization box. Here it is. Okay, so this is what happens during the period of stay of the pet. The administrator will view the hospitalization in this box. Okay. So we go to account settings. Not account settings, to user profiles, and we go to the veterinarian. Okay, so we access the sample because the pet was hospitalized in the sample veterinary hospital for a trial. And in the work section, here's the pet that's hospitalized. So here the veterinarian can view the pet, why is the pet in the hospital, and he can add procedures or surgeries to the pet. For example, right now I'm gonna do a procedure, and we search for the procedure. We can search by the name or just click search, and a listing of 5 will appear. If there's more than 5, we press add, we press next, and we confirm the add. Okay, so right now in the hospitalization details box, a procedure was added to the pet. Okay, so the pet who has parvovirus will get this procedure done. So the the veterinarian can start the procedure, and once he's finished with the procedure, he presses end procedure. He adds media in case if it's needed. For example, if there was ear cleaning or something, he takes a picture of before and after to provide evidence that the procedure was done. And this does not apply because there is no meeting in the future because it's an hospitalization. We press next and we press end procedure. Okay, so right now the system is uploading the picture. It depends on the internet connection how fast does it go. Okay, so right now the procedure was done, so here it says done. Okay, so here as long as the pet is hospitalized, the veterinarian will be able to add procedure, appointments, pet surgeries, vaccines, or purchases. And they can also view the pet's history in case they need it for information, medical information. Okay, so once the patient is healthy again, the administrator has to let the patient go. So he has to process that information. So we go to the veterinary administrator in the sample one, in the system, and in the hospitalization box, we press details and we press end hospitalization. You can only end hospitalization if all the procedures are done. If one is not done, for example, if a veterinarian has a procedure and he has not started and ended the procedure, you would not be able to end the hospitalization. But if everything else is okay, you will be able to end the hospitalization. So we end the hospitalization. And the hospitalization went to awaiting payment. So the administrator processes the payment. He has to pay 200. Next, cash, 200, 0, and add as a paid account. Okay, so the hospitalization is no longer in awaiting payment. It went to the paid account section in the hospital. Here it is. And in the client also receives the information. Here's the hospitalization and here's the information.